Slate. Today's the day. I'm in absolute awe. I don't know what on earth I did to deserve these people standing in front of us, and to deserve you standing in front of me, and to be able to celebrate this incredible day in a place like this. But I promise you that I will never forget this, and I will not take it for granted. Hello, everyone, and welcome on this incredible, highly anticipated day at the beautiful Teitiare estate. Carolyn and Slater, I'm so thrilled to be standing up here with you guys on your wedding day. It's honestly an honor, and I think I speak for everyone in saying how ecstatic we are that this day has finally come. Hello, yes.
You're my teacher, you're my confidant, my calming remedy, and the absolute best adventure buddy. Your laugh and glowing spirit is infectious. Your genuine appreciation and concern for the people in your life is refreshing. You never lose touch with family or people that were once strangers but quickly became some of your best friends. You're damn confident and strong, loyal beyond belief and true to who you are. There's no doubt that you are rare air and my daily inspiration.
Cara, you'll always be my little girl. But when I look at you now, what I see is a beautiful, strong, independent, self-motivated woman who's an inspiration to others. You changed my life the day you were born, and you continue to do so today.
I speak for everyone here when I say that you have a heart of gold. There's no man just like you. You are humble, you are loving, you are accepting. There's not a bad bone in your body, and there's not a single piece of you that I don't love. I often question how a person like you could even exist outside of my wildest dreams, and it's that constant awe that has made me certain from the day that I met you that there's no one else. You're my most prized possession, and today I vow to never let go of you.
Wow, dude. Thank you so much. Happy baby.
Together, you guys are like unlike anyone I know. Hey, you have this amazing ability to, no matter how much is going on, to make whoever you're talking to feel like they're the only person in the room. Your warmth, care, and attention to the people you love is unmatched. You're good time instigators, positive vibe titans, and relentless supporters. With your bright spirits and openness and love of adventure, you two inspire all of us.
You're my girl, and I love you freely without reservation. Zero holding back of passionate kisses, healing hugs, effortless smiles, and countless bouquets of flowers. You're absolutely stunning. You're my best friend. I so wholeheartedly love you now and always.
Today, I vow to love you and your soul with every ounce of my being for as long as the universe will keep us. I don't know how to thank that universe for leading me to you, but I thank you for every effort you've put forth to choose me and to love me and to make my world more vibrant than I ever thought possible. I love you.
Carolyn, Slater, this is the moment you two and all of us have been waiting for. You've committed yourselves to one another through sacred vows and honored each other with the gift of eternal love. Your life is now officially one, though I think we know it's been that way since the day you met. It is with unbridled joy in the company of your family and friends that I now pronounce you husband and wife. Slater, you may kiss your bride.